Highlighting some text is a good practice to emphasize some element in your presentation or to point the attention of your audience to a specific word or sentence in your document. And in Google Slides, there are various methods you can try to select or highlight certain text in any given text box. In this example, I have two columns and I want to make this particular piece of word to be highlighted. Now, the first method is pretty simple. You just need to select the word and then you can change the color. For example, red is very popular because it is bright and it's quite stand out to other colors. So if you see briefly, you will see that these two words are pretty much stand out from the rest. So that was the first method. And even though I like it, it's probably not for everyone. That's why we need the second method. Let me undo the previous action. And I'm going to keep selecting these two words. And we can use the highlighter feature that is also available in Google Slides. So as it turns out, Google Slides do have the same feature, the same highlighter feature, just as in Google Docs. The process is the same. You have to select the words and you have to go to this menu that says highlight color just next to this text color option. And you can select any color that you want to be applied to that particular text. I'm going to select this color. And there you have it. It looks bright. It looks stand out from the rest of the text. So those are two methods to highlight text in Google Slides.